Hey, welcome to everybody. Today we have a new exercise 1.1 class 10 TPK board completing square method. We are trying to solve by this in this method. We are try to first of all we check the constant value, and here in this equation first of all we can multiply, open the brackets, so x into x plus 3 and minus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 10 minus 3. Now we are open the brackets, x multiplied by x. In case of multiplication, when the bases are same, so we add their power, and 3x minus 1x minus 3 minus into plus minus 3 minus 5x minus 10 and plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x square, this x and this x, we are add their coefficient 3 and minus 1 plus 2 minus 5x minus 3x. Now the constant term is minus 3 and plus 3 both are cancelled. Minus 10 is equal to 0. But completing square method, we are trying to first of all we change, and here minus 10 to the right side, x square minus 3x is equal to 10. Now using the formula a square minus 2 into a into b, but in here is required 3 is required, so what we will do, 3 and 3 divided by 2, if we are multiply 2 and 2 are cancelled, we get minus 3x. So it means that in here minus 2ab, that is the value of b, so we are adding 3 divided by 2 on each side of this equation. Next step we are doing in here, x square minus, this will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to 10 plus 3 square and 2 square. That is the value of 10 plus 9 divided by 4. Now again we are taking LCM. X minus 3 over 2 whole square is equal to 10 plus 9 divided by 4. We are taking LCM 4 multiplied by 10 we can get n 40 plus 9 is equal to 49 divided by 4. Now taking square root on both sides is equal to 49 divided by 4 square root, they both are cancelled. We can get in here x minus 3 over 2 is equal to plus minus 7 divided by 2. 49, 7 square, both are cancelled with the 2 square, and 4 square we can write 2 square, both are cancelled with their square root. So the last in here, x minus 3 by 2 is equal to plus minus 7 by 2. One time positive, one time negative. X is equal to, we transfer this result. This will be equal to 3 by 2 plus minus 7 by 2. Now x is equal to 3 by 2 plus 7 by 2 r and 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Now here the denominator term is same, so directly we add this term r, and here is also 3 are subtracted in here. So x is equal to 10 divided by 2 r and minus 4 divided by 2. Both are cancelled to each other. We can get in here x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, r and x is equal to minus 2 is the solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.